Huh? Smooth, right? In this video, I am going to show you in detail about how I shaved my face for instant glowing skin and what happened. Also, this video is about shaving face for women. Also, do watch it carefully as I will be sharing my journey and experience along the way and how you can eliminate that. If you want to know how to do it step by step, then watch this video entirely and don't skip, guys. Sis, no fear, your sis is here. Hey sis, this is your sis from Sis How Do I channel. In this video, I'm sharing my experience when I shave my face, and yes ladies, we do shave. Sis, all the products that I mention or use for shaving, I will give the link in the description down below. You can check them out. So, why I choose to shave my face? Sis, here's no rule about having to get rid of facial hair or peach fuzz, but if you're someone like me with a multi-product skincare routine, you know the search for new skincare methods for a brighter, tighter, fuzz-free complexion can seem never-ending. I would have dermaplaning done during various facial treatments over the year, but never as a consistent skincare technique. I could do that at home, so I was looking for it. And while I love a good spa or skincare treatment, I have been on the hunt for something that I can keep up with my home, like at home. But once I heard of the popular Japanese hair removal technique, women take tiny straight razors and shave the peach fuzz off their face for smooth, fuzz-free complexions and to maximize the penetration of their multi-product skincare routines. So you must be thinking, what are the benefits of shaving your face? It gives you smoother skin, softer skin, and lightly exfoliates and helps products penetrate more deeply. So before purchasing any razor, guys, I read up on the effects it would have on my skin. You should do that too. This technique gives smoother, softer, clear skin as it blades remove the debris and makes way for new skin cells to come up. The benefits of shaving are primarily to remove unwanted hair and lightly exfoliate by removing dead layers of skin. Plus, it prepares your skin for product application, which means it's crucial to apply a super hydrating serum or mask post-shave, as the products will penetrate more deeply and you will get a good result. I have combination skin that can look a bit cruddy and congested if I don't exfoliate regularly, so shaving is a fast, affordable reset. So after researching all this, I was sold. Sis, I have other shaving related videos on my channel, so you can go and watch them later. I will give the link in the description down below, guys, so do watch it. Also, my razor recommendations are also in the description down below. You can find all the links in the description, so you can go and check that out. It will give you amazing skin like me. Okay, so how to prepare and shave your face? Yes, you must be thinking, why would I need to prepare to shave my face? But having clean skin is one of the most important steps before doing any types of hair removal, especially shaving. Always cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities before shaving. Since shaving can introduce bacteria into the skin, removing dirt and debris may decrease the chances of unwelcome breakouts and irritation. A fragrance-free, guys, you need, like a Cetaphil gentle foaming cleanser, will really help you, and that is the most effective one. Sis, having a razor that is solely for your face is very important. Since there are different bacteria on each area of your skin, you should be using a different razor for the body and the face. It should be different. If you're looking to remove mostly fine light hairs and exfoliate, investigating in a single, more precise hand-held facial blade, and that is more appropriate. No need to invest in a heavy-duty razor for these, delicate areas. Okay, so let's get into the nutty-gutty stuff.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm using this blade and it's quite effective, and I'm using a liquid, like kind of antiseptic thing, and you just dip your razor in it. And as you can see, guys, I put a little bit of moisturizer, you can say, on my face, because this is really important. It makes my skin very soft, and it also makes the shaving very, very easy. So just gonna spread it over my face. You can take any cream you want or a serum you want, but I'm using a moisturizer that is really nice, and it's like helped a lot with the shaving. So I'm gonna go from down to upwards because that is the best direction against your hair growth. So I feel that this is the best way because it makes your hair like your shave very smooth, and it's the best way to do, because people sometimes do from the up. You can also do that, but I recommend, guys, that you do from top to bottom and then bottom to top, like that, like, yeah. And guys, you can see is a lot of dirt here, and I'm gonna now stretch my skin a little bit and keep on doing. As you can see, guys, I'm doing on the both directions. So this way, guys, you can see I'm putting a little bit of strokes, not the too much, as like obviously we are girls and we're not that pro, so we just have to do little strokes so that we can have a very good and smooth finish. And I'm doing just on the, like, you can see, oh my gosh, look at this, this is too much, a lot of hair and a lot of dirt. I think dirt is more. And you can see I'm doing like just beside my eyes, because you can see there's a little bit of hair also there. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on doing here. And you can see I'm just doing like just near my nose area, and I'm dipping into that liquid after every like part I'm done with it, because that will make it antiseptic, and that is very important that we need to do, because we want to clean our blade every time we just do one part. So I'm doing upper lips. Upper lips is the best one. If you haven't seen my video about it, I just made exclusively for upper lip, and it's very good video, you must watch it, it's on my channel. Okay, so I'm not doing on the other cheek, and I'm starting from top, and then I will go from bottom, because I want to do both ways, so that way I can find a very good shave which is smooth and which will make my skin, you know, more and more shinier. So okay, so look at this, guys, I'm doing it in all directions, top to bottom, bottom to top, and then sideways, and then the other ways. And this part I'm doing with a little bit of stretching my skin from the bottom, because that will make your shave smoother and very easy to do. That's the hack that I found. And now I'm doing from my nose area to up on the forehead, and as you can see, guys, it's a lot of dirt now, and I'm just stretching my skin again and again so that I get a very good finish, because I don't want any cuts to be there. Apart from the finish also, there are like many chances that you get nuts and cuts over there. So just have to be really careful and stretch your skin as much as you can in order to get a perfect like tight area to shave. And you can see, guys, I will just put away my blade. I will just dip it into that antiseptic lotion or the liquid, and I will check my skin with like rubbing my hand over it, that is it good or not. And I think that's pretty nice, guys. I look really nice and shiny. Nice.
Sis, I am so proud of you that you are trying to improve your life and working hard for it to look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video, sis. Don't forget to subscribe, as it means a lot to me. And I want to reach out as many bros and sisters I can, so that I can help you and help them as well. So do share this video, and guys, do watch this next video that I handpicked for you. It is also the amazing one. Bye!